A wonderful liquid water. Life on earth is not possible without water. It is used in our daily life. We use water for drinking and cooking food. We take bath in water. We wash our clothes and utensils in water. Plants also need water to grow. They take water from the soil. Water is a wonderful liquid as it can be seen as solid, liquid, or gas. Let us find out the three forms of water. Activity first. Take a glass of water and keep it in the freezer of a refrigerator. Open the freezer after an hour. Water in a glass changes into ice. The changing of liquid water into solid ice is called solidification. Ice is the solid form of water. It has a definite shape and occupies space. Now keep this ice in the room. After some time, ice will change into liquid water again. This process is known as melting. Now boil this liquid water in a pan. What do you see? Liquid water changes into water vapor or steam. This is the gaseous form of water. The process of changing liquid water into steam or water vapor is called evaporation. Cool the steam by placing a plate over it. You will get liquid water again. This process of changing water vapor into liquid is called condensation. Evaporation of water occurs all the time in nature. It is the faster on very hot sunny days. The clouds are formed due to evaporation of water from lakes, rivers, and oceans. When water vapor condenses, it comes down as rain. The cycle of evaporation and condensation in nature is called water cycle. There must be some properties of water that make it so important in our daily life. What are these properties? Let us see. Water has no color. It is tasteless. It has no smell. Water exists in all the three states in nature. That is ice, liquid water, and water vapor. It can change from one state to another very easily.